What is up, YouTube? It is Dark Beauty 925 coming to you live, and today I'm going to be talking to you about my hair. So I know I went from like having weave in my videos to boom, just had natural hair, and I didn't even explain like the background or like the products that I use. So basically this is my natural hair. I'll do a little turnaround. It's kind of a mess in the back, but I mean, so crazy. But this is my hair, and I actually got it in like, I'm gonna just explain my hair basically. So I have like, I think 4C texture type of hair. My hair really gets drawn up like when it's wet. Like it's literally so much shrinkage, and it's like the curls are literally so tight you can barely comb through it. Like I have to use conditioner on top of conditioner on top of conditioner. My hair is literally so thick. Like one thing that I have to do to my hair is I have to straighten my hair first just for it to come out this texture, because I don't want it, like if I just, you know, condition my hair and then let it go wild, first of all, it would be like this short of an afro because I have so much shrinkage, and it would just be like so matted looking. So I literally have to straighten my hair first and then braid it for me to achieve this look. But since I have that type of very, I don't even know what to call it, very, I feel like me saying African hair, that's kind of racist, but very kinky hair, like the most kinky hair you will ever see. I just kind of wanted to share like the products that I use that really helps my hair have more of a soft, because especially since I have weave, I have a hard time keeping up with me actually moisturizing my hair while I have my bundles in. So these are just kind of products that are necessary to me having nice hair, or semi-nice. I don't even know what y'all want to call this. I call it nice, but I mean, this might just be raggedy to y'all. But yeah, I just want to show you 4 products that I use to kind of have like not dry hair, so moisturized hair, and for it to have like a little bit of a bounce on it. So yeah, we're just gonna get right to the products. So besides shampoo and conditioner, I didn't want to really show shampoo and conditioner because I don't really have like a good shampoo and conditioner. I kind of just be picking up any type of conditioner and shampoo. But to go along with this, and because I have such kinky curly hair, I do suggest that everybody that has hair that's very just drawn up and stuff like mine, to get a set that has a whole bunch of different types of combs in them, because I used to didn't have all of these combs before, but it most definitely made my washing my hair process easier as I had the different type of combs. So like my favorite comb so far was this comb. No, that's not even the comb. That was just not even the comb. This one. So this is my favorite comb out of this whole package, because I'm going to just show you the picture of the type of the combs that come in this package. So those are all the different types of combs, and then that's, yeah. So, but by far for my hair, this was my most favorite because it actually combed through like my curls, and it didn't like tug at it. It just went right through, especially when I have my conditioner. I felt like this is very important. And then everything else, all the other combs are just useful for many different reasons, and you really have to put a lot of work into your hair when you have really thick, coarse, kinky hair. So I just most definitely recommend these combs, and even this brand, because when you have that type of hair, you are very more likely to break your comb because of like how thick and just, I don't know, kinky your hair is. So this is also a good brand, the Bio Swiss, and as you can see, I got it for $2.27. So if you can find these, then you are good to go. After I rinse out my conditioner and stuff like that, I still kind of need something that will like lock in the moisture. So the next product that I have is this grapeseed oil, and I use the grapeseed oil after I condition and after I blow dry my hair out, because it's very easy for my type of hair to get dry, especially since I don't take as much care as I should when I have my weave in. This time grapeseed oil was most definitely like my key to success. Literally, like it made my hair so soft. It made it like the perfect amount of moisturize without leaving my hair like extra silky and oily, because you don't want your hair to look extra oily neither. but grapeseed oil for sure. I think any type of grapeseed oil. I buy all types. I never stick to one brand, but I know you can just get this from like the grocery store, and it ranges from like $6 to $8. So this is most definitely helpful for my type of hair. So I do this after I condition, because after you wash out the conditioner and stuff, like your hair can dry back can get kind of more dry again as it air dries, and so you just kind of need something to lock in that type of moisture. And then also after you like blow dry your hair, put this back in there before you flat iron, because it can also serve as a heat protectant, and it will just lock in the moisture as you put that like heat on your hair. So since I mentioned having heat on your hair, this was also another thing that like saved my life during this last washing experience, and it's just the Garnier Fructis flat iron protector straightening mist. So since my hair, I probably said this a million times, but since my hair has that kinky thick coarse texture, I literally had to like because I do everything in 8 sections, because that's just how thick my hair is. So I'll just take every section, spray this on there until it's like a good amount of damp, and then I put the grapeseed oil on there, and I just run my fingers through, and then that's when I would do whatever the next step is, so whether it's like blow drying or flat ironing. So this definitely helped. I do kind of think you have to be cautious about how much you put in your hair, because on some sections I think I put too much, and when it flat ironed it have like that little sizzle sound, and I don't really like that. And then like even when you flat iron it, it will kind of like draw back up. So most definitely be cautious about how much you do spray onto your hair when you have this, but this most definitely helped. Last product that I have that helped with my hair is this coconut whipped cream leave-in conditioner. So I got this from Walgreens or CVS, some type of pharmacy store, and it was actually on sale for like $4, but I know even like their regular price is somewhere between like maybe $7 to $10. So I got this and I use this after I flat iron my hair. So this is like the last thing that I put in my hair, and this is actually what I use when I braid my hair back up, because I didn't want my hair to be straight, because even with my hair it doesn't get perfectly straight anyway. So I kind of wanted to get this like wavy, curly, natural look. So what I did was I braided my hair after I straightened it so that I can get this look, and then I put this on there after I braided my hair, just so that it can lock in the moisture and kind of hold that braid in more, so that my curls can be more defined. So this most definitely was another good product for my type of hair. That is all for my video today. I'm happy that I could kind of talk you through my experience and the products that I use when dealing with my hair. I kind of just felt like I kind of just popped on here with a whole different hairstyle, like my natural hair, and then didn't even explain it. And I just felt like, since I am kind of like a beauty channel as well, I should, you know, explain my hair and stuff like that. So I hope this also helped people as they paid attention to my products who might have that thick, coarse hair, just like me, and just to make your washing day more easier, because it literally took me like more than 3 hours, I believe. So yeah, I really hope this video helped, so that you can have an easier process on wash day. If you want to receive notifications for every time that I post, click the bell. Also, please like, comment, and subscribe, and tell all your friends to do so as well. Beauty 9825 signing out of this live. Bye.